Many have seen the picture modes option on their Sony TV, but most don't know what to do with it. How do you choose? Well, I'll quickly break down each so you can be confident in making your Sony TV work the best for you. Now let's start with content type settings. Most newer Sony TVs have this option, while some of the others do not. So if you don't see it, that's totally fine, but for those who do, here's the lowdown. Video and images. This optimizes picture and sound for your favorite shows, movies, and photos. This is where you want to be for your movies and your shows. Game tunes the TV for gaming, including PC gaming, keeping visuals crisp and reducing lag so your actions feel instant. It also gives you access to the game menu features. PC, perfect for when you connect a computer, ensuring that every detail pops with clarity. This is more for using your TV as a main or secondary screen for all of your PC things that you can do, but we still do recommend the game mode if you're gaming on your PC. Now let's dive into the picture modes. These settings let you customize how content looks based on what you're watching. These will only be accessible if you are in the video and images content type, if that applies to your specific model. Vivid. Think enhanced color and sharper edges. Great for bright settings like a storefront. And this brings that pop that you probably saw in a store. Standard. A balanced mode with deep color and clear details, ideal for everyday home viewing. This is the default setting and perfect for almost everyone. Cinema. Balances brightness and color for that perfect movie night at home, like going to the cinema. Professional. Keeps the content's original quality intact so you can adjust exactly to your taste. This will give you a more accurate picture to the creator's intent. Calm, and this is only available on select models. It softens the colors and contrast for a soothing, relaxed feel that's perfect to chill the kids before bed, and it's honestly a great way to end the day. Photo. Enhances brightness and detail so your photos really shine. But remember, it's all about what works best for you. Feel free to experiment with these modes and find your perfect setting, whether it's for a blockbuster movie night, an intense gaming session, or simply enjoying your photos. Thanks for watching.